Hey everyone, I'm glad that you make this far, and in this session we're gonna add one more functionality in our windmill, which is the rotation for our fan. If you see here, the fan doesn't not rotate at all, but here we're gonna be adding the functionality. So let's start. I will start with create a boolean variable, boolean rotate fan over there, and I will set the rotate fan equal false. Okay, and here I will put in addition I will add another variable which is called angle. Okay, and I will set angle into 0. So here we're gonna add the if the rotate fan equal false, and angle equal angle. Okay, else angle plus plus. All right, and we will add the push matrix and pop matrix. Translate. In this case, I would translate it to X fan and Y fan. Okay, that means all the X fan and Y fan become 0. So I will find X fan and I will change it to 0. I say replace all. Okay, I'll put it back to X fan, and Y fan I will replace them all as well. Okay, and change this to Y fan. Wait a minute, why do I get error over here? Oh, here. So X fan, so that here Y fan. All right. Okay, so we wanna make it cleaner. Okay, and let's run it. Of course, after we translate, we might want to rotate it, but for now let's run it, and it still works well. And now we put rotation, rotate we just don't forget to put radians so that the movement will be smoother angle. After we apply the rotate and radians, you might see slight change there. Probably not. And now let's try to change the rotate fan into true, and you will see the difference. Okay, so in other words, let's say we set this into false. After that, we on our windmill we change the, let's say, second windmill dot rotate fan equal true, and you will see, all right, you see the second windmill, now the fan rotates. Well, that concludes our session now, and I hope you learned. Obviously, it's a good feature to have if you have the windmill, but it does not rotate, then it's not fun, you know. And if you want to change the speed, you can add different value, or you could add another property over here. Let's call it speed. But for now, I just want to leave it that way. For now, let's say if I change the angle to 5, then it rotates faster. All right. And that concludes our session. I'll see you next time.